2 months ago, we noticed a small lump on his jaws. The lump that we noticed kept on growing. The growth was really very fast. He completely stopped eating. Many years ago, I think it was 2013, if I remember correctly, right? Me and my son were going for a walk in the morning, and Popcorn was a young dog at that time. And I actually don't know from where he came and how he was there, but he started following us on our walk. His personality was very energetic. He started wagging his tail when he saw us. We stopped and we petted him, and he followed us the entire time. Walks. Every day he used to walk with us the entire distance. He used to wait for our walk. He used to be waiting outside the society gate for us to come down, and that's how actually we met Popcorn for the first time. That's how we named him Popcorn, because he suddenly popped up in our life, so he was a popcorn. We generally feel as a family that not just feeding, veterinary care or the best possible treatment is more important than just feeding. So what we started was firstly the vaccination, deworming, taking care of ticks and fleas was basically, I would say that we were doing everything we could do for him, because as it is, he's a stray dog. Their life is so hard. 2 months ago, we noticed while we were feeding him a small lump on his jaw. So initially, we thought he's an older dog. He's 13 plus. So we thought maybe he has some infection in his mouth related to his dental issues. So we took him to our regular vet, who has been seeing him for last 13 years. So he gave him initial medicines, initial antibiotics. But unfortunately, that treatment didn't work. The lump that we noticed kept on growing, so much so that he started having difficulty in eating. He completely avoided chewing things. Chicken and rice used to be his favorite food, but he stopped eating chicken. Dr. Kapil suggested that we bring him to Cancer Vet, because that's a specialized treatment, and so obviously our choice was Cancer Vet, because we wanted a specialized care and treatment for him. So we came here. Dr. Swapna saw him first, and we were clear right from the beginning that though he is a stray dog, we don't want to compromise on anything. We should get the best possible treatment. And I'm glad and happy to say that we did get it here. I mean, the kind of treatment that followed, the kind of advice we received here was really great. He was made very comfortable here. The staff and general treatment, what we got, his surgery, post-operative care, everything was done here at the Cancer Vet, and we are very happy with the way things happened, right?
Yeah, all Dr. Swapna, Dr. Mukta, Dr. Ravi.
And your vet tech staff really looked after him. In fact, they are very fond of him. Whenever he comes here, everybody greets him. Everybody knows his name, right from the receptionist to the surgeon. Everybody welcomes him. So a very warm and very welcoming treatment we got here. And now his that mass, whatever was growing, has been removed. He is happy where he belongs. So he has gone back to his territory, and that is where he would like to stay for rest of his life. So we just hope that it doesn't regrow again, and this is the end of his cancer story.